So in this one, it is the UB-based attendance system where the user will be able to send to the attendance server, and the attendance server can send to all user. But user to user connection is it established. So successful siya, and just like that. So balik-balik ko lang yun para mas na progress ang sa pag maset ng data. So Marato, thank you.